Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for an invitation. I want to invite you guys to come out to the 4th annual Arizona Shavers Meetup. It has been our pleasure to host 4 years in a row now, a meetup that I think is really the biggest in the Southwest. It is the Arizona Shavers Meetup. Arizona Shavers is a Facebook group, and it's it's a place where people can get together and swap stories and show Shave of the Day pictures. But once a year, it culminates in reality, where the wet shaving world is no longer through the phone, through a laptop or tablet or computer screen. It's in real life. You get to come out, swap stories, meet people, see new products, meet vendors from around the country who come out to visit us, and have wet shaving come to life. I have heard from so many customers over the years, this is some of the, their favorite thing to do. They love the meetup. They love to come visit. Sometimes people have come again and again. People have made friends. They have swapped, razors or soaps. We always have a piff table for people. We have live demonstrations. We do a shop tour, a plating tour. I'm really excited that we're going to have Jake Yates come all the way out from Pennsylvania to demo the brand new CNC mill that we have acquired from Yates Precision Manufacturing. He'll be a speaker, and we're going to have a mobile barber bus provided by the Dreaded Barber. You may remember him years back when I had the How to Talk to Your Barber video. I was really excited to have Daryl Brandt come out again. Thanks, Daryl. He'll be doing straight razor shaves. We're going to have Aylesworth razors out there, Frugal Shaves, Yulay, Ariana Evans. I mean, the list goes on and on. People are signing up left and right to come out. It is free to come if you're a participant. It is free to come if you're a vendor. I'm not going to charge a dime. Come out. We'll give you a table. You can even sell at your table. It's a great time. We go across the street every year to a little brewing company for an afternoon lunch. There's some other things I thought we could do this year that'd be kind of new. Maybe I'll save it. But it's a fantastic time, guys. Please take this opportunity if you can to come out to Arizona. It's the best time of year to come to Arizona. Our springs are legendary. So if you are somewhere in the country or the world that has a cold, dreary climate in February, come to Phoenix. It's going to be beautiful weather. It's a great time, and wet shaving never looked any better. So that's all I got, guys. Consider coming out to the Arizona Shavers Meetup, and we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.